Water dumped on me.
What?
That window right there. Second floor? Yep.
Yeah, there we go.
They just poured water on it?
Okay.
Sun spilled on me. Right?
Can we take the door?
Yeah. Is it open?
Yeah, it's cracked open.
Yeah, go ahead. You can go upstairs.
Open the door!
Right?
Yep.
Let's go! Open the door! Let's go! Push right against it.
Yeah.
Go! Let's go! Yep.
Everybody out!
Clear it out!
Everybody out!
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Zero five.
let's go!
If you have any other cars, you can send them over to 331 Grafton Street.
Everybody, how you doing, Sarge?
All right.
Let's say you see no problem.
Estilo clandestino.
Questa cosa è vedi. Vedi, I just need to get my bathroom. Excuse me.
Water bucket.
Everybody's even cooperative, right? The cops scared of everybody, huh? Alright, we can't go back in there for the phone. I promise you, you're talking shit. You go back in there for the phone and they scare everybody. What's going on? What I don't understand about it.
Very simple. Very simple. Very simple.
Arrest? Ladies, come on, man. That's bro. Everybody cooperated, bro. Take it up with the home. They're probably coming back. They can't sit up.
Is it the second floor too?
Yeah, we're about to go upstairs now. Cause cause of this shit, it's like.
That's it, man.
Let's go, man. Go.
How? Can I look more?
Nope. Go. Let's go.
Yeah, the second floor.
Is that everybody in here?
Go home. You're done. No. Go home. Too late. You're gone. They lost.
Yeah, we're not doing this.
You want to say what?
No, go forward, mom.
There's people back here who can't get out. Block you, got it.
Yeah, there's a wait.
We gotta see it back there. So, walk around it. Right. Yeah. I just said we walk by.
That's what you don't want them driving over there.
What's that?
You don't want them driving over that.
Nah, CSU's gonna pick that up. It's crime scene. Nobody lives here?
Like, no
I'm
respect.
talking to three different people. What's up? What do you need? We talking to you already. So what's your problem?
All due respect to TJ.
We don't care who's
Go,
who, bro. We don't care who's who.
I know that, but
Okay, so what are we talking about? What are we talking about? Excuse me.
they want to get the
They-
product.
No, bro. No, we ain't here right now. No. Simple. Very simple question. No. Answer's
You
no.
got a warrant.
Answer's no.
You got a warrant for
Answer's no. We have a crime scene. That's what we got. That's what we got.
Yeah.
So what else you want to do?
You want to get in the
See you later. See you later. See you later. Come back another day. My man. See you later. Yeah, we'll find a phone for you. Yeah. Come to the police station. Come to the police station tomorrow. We'll find a phone for you. Sure. Come to the police station tomorrow. We'll find a phone for you. Yep. Police station. Whatever time you want. I just told you what I'm gonna do for you. You said not. You said not. You know the answer. So what do you want me to do?
You can call later and figure it out in the morning. Alright? I know that the speakers are here. That is the least of our concerns right now. You guys gotta go. Can't hang out here. We can't sit around.
Go home, tell your wife. See you later.
Good. Yeah, we're just trying to clear people out of the back here. Most people are gone.
I'm not helping you. I'm not helping you.
No, we answered upstairs?
No. I don't care what happened, bro. There's already a car here. I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
Alright,
Bye.
Here,
Have a
trying
good
to
day.
leave. You want me to have them just back up, or you want me to?
Can they get around the shell casings?
I mean, I just don't know if they're gonna hit them.
There's a few in the middle of the road.
Right in the middle of the road.
But they're already kind of in.
Yeah, just get them the fuck out of here.
What else you want to hear from me? I don't know what else you want to hear from me. I'm not. I just told him. Grab your phone, police station. See you later. That's it, bro.
I mean, like I said, I can come
Who
to
live-
the station, but like, what I'm telling you is, I'm going to go to the police station
You can call whoever owns the apartment. Call them. Come get it later.
tonight.
Sure,
Yeah,
come tonight.
sure.
Yep.
We're gonna process the crime
Meet us
scene
there. I'll
and
meet you there.
we'll be done.
Don't beat me there. I'll meet you there. See you later.
No, but you got to find my phone.
Yep, I'll do it.
I'm not driving, but I'm just.
Did you try the second floor?
I'm not answering.
Someone dumped some kind of fluid out of the second floor window, hit poor Joe in the head, so we
My
pushed
man,
the door
jump in the
open.
car with your boy. You're not going back inside. I don't know what you're saying. Try to go back inside. It's not going to happen.
No, one more question.
Yo,
I don't have
go
a
to
phone.
sidewalk.
Oh, no, I don't have a phone. Can you call me? I will meet you over there at the police station.
What do you want?
Yeah,
I
go.
have my phone to get a cab or Uber. That's my phone.
Alright, we'll call for one. Alright, just wait in the sidewalk.
Where?
The sidewalk.
By the trash can?
Sidewalk. Find it.
Yeah, so we had 9 shots going to the back of the building over here. Didn't really have a reason to go in until they dumped something off on Joe's head. Then somebody opened the door and we just kind of cleared it out after that. But no one lives here. No one person.
Never. So
I don't care.
They never complain about this location at all, like the lot and around.
Well, who's the nobody stayed that took ownership of the apartment.
So there's no one in there now?
No, there's no one in there.
Montalvo yelled out earlier to him on the second or third floor. He was upstairs and he yelled out to support you when we're on the street earlier.
What? Just
Just,
He was just kind of like
Just talking shit to us.
Fight.
does he rent this apartment out? Obviously.
This one.
Hamilton Street?
You at the door.
Yeah.
You at the door.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Who is it?
He's the same dude that's at 48 Millbury Street. The dude that, I don't know his name. He's at the door talking Spanish.
Like how the security fucking street. Look.
They kicked out the front door so they could get out.
Yeah, and the window.
Good.
How was this place not shut?
Look what they did to the door. We're already inside. Yeah.
Well, look inside.
Is it just straight up club?
Are they running out that way?
Yeah. Oh, couldn't get out. It's a fence. Oh.
That's glass that fell down.
Yeah, they have a little cage. Where's the fire hydrant?
Yeah? With the camera on?
Yeah.
After 3 a.m., you can tow.
Tow.
Over there.
Tow,
After
yeah,
3
yeah.
a.m. Tow over there.